Hello, I am Dilip Panthee, tomato breeder at North Carolina State University. Um, I hope you all are doing well in this pandemic situation. I wanted to give you the update of my tomato variety trial that is going on like last year and the year before. Unfortunately, I could not show you the variety trial in the field, but I want to give you the information that I have in the field. Like last year, this year also, I had my replicated tomato variety trial, um, including large fruited replicated trial, plum, and grape trial like last year. This year in large fruited replicated trial, I have 24 different hybrids um, planted with 3 replications um, among 24 hybrids. 9 of them are control hybrids. Uh, 7 of them are uh, promising hybrid from observation trial, and 6 of them are um, new hybrid. They are identified based on replicated trial for their excellent yield and horticultural trait selected from the replicated trial last year, and two of the two of the genotypes included are breeding lines. Main objective of this trial is to uh, identify the uh, best hybrid for disease resistance and horticultural trait and fruit quality among the disease resistance, late blight, late blight, um, tomato spotted wilt virus and tomato mosaic virus resistance. As you can see in this table, the last column shows the disease combinations for different traits. As you can see, the yellow marked varieties are control varieties. These are 9. These are repeated varieties from last year, which are 6 hybrids from last year. These are being repeated for their excellent yield performance, and these are new hybrid selected from the observation trial from last year, and these 2 are breeding lines that I am evaluating for their yield performance. These are actually already parent lines being used as a parents, and these are already released lines, but still I want to see the overall yield performance. Okay. Coming to these new hybrids, I am repeating those. Some of those for only for second year, and some of those are being repeated for third years. As you can see, these have some lead blight, root knot nematode, tomato spotted wilt virus, tomato mosaic virus, and verticillium wilt, which is excellent disease combination. And because of the yield performance from last year, I'm repeating those. Some of them had excellent yield performance last year, and combination of lead blight and root knot nematode, as you can see here, that is excellent combination, and also tomato spotted wilt virus, which we need in for the growers in this region, and also in other parts of the country. In the new hybrids also, we have similar disease combination, as you can see in this hybrid, and also this hybrid. Since this is the new hybrid, I do not have yield data yet, but I believe that they will have good yield performance. Some of the hybrids I evaluated from multiple years to see the yield consistency. One of the hybrids I released last year is Mountain Regina. Although we have not licensed it to any seed company yet for seed production, this is one of the best hybrids for yield performance, and it is very consistent across the year for overall yield. And also some of the new hybrids, they are also either not significantly different or similar to Mountain Regina for their yield performance, and also they are very consistent, as you can see. Two of the new hybrids that then are very promising are NC 15156 and NC 12168, and they have very large fruit size, as you can see, and dark red in color because of the crimson gene, and very smooth, as you can see. Since they have excellent disease resistance package, as you can see here, later lead blight and tomato spotted wilt virus. Because of that, these are the potential trees from my program. Next, plum tomato replicated trial. In plum, there are 10 genotypes, including 9 hybrids and 1 breeding line. And there were 2 control hybrids, including Plum Regal and the Mountain Crown. Mountain Crown was released last year. This one has not been licensed to any seed company yet. Its performance is excellent, and this is ready to license to any seed company. And this trial was also planted in the second week of June this year with 3 replications. And disease combination wise, this column shows the disease combination, as you can see here. These hybrids combines the lead blight, fusarium wilt, and tomato spotted wilt virus, as you can see here, and also tomato mosaic virus. Some of the new hybrids contain the tomato mosaic virus, which is, I believe that, which is the very good combination. And the last row shows the details about the disease information. What later is the, so it stands for which disease. Okay. This graph shows the performance of some of the hybrids for lead blight under field conditions when there was very high inoculum pressure of lead blight. As you can see, NC 11-65, which is one of the promising hybrid. This one has PS2 and PS3 conferring lead blight resistance. It did not have any lead blight disease at all. And also NC 13540, which was released as Mountain Crown. These 2 hybrids did not have any lead blight under field condition. Whereas other hybrids, they had some level of lead blight, as you can see here, means they are either at heterozygous condition, or they may have only one gene like PH3. They may not have both genes. When they have only one gene, the situation becomes like this. Whereas NC30P, which does not have lead blight resistance, it has a high level of lead blight disease, as you can see here. This data is from last year. As you can see here, some of the new hybrids like NC 11-65 and 13540. 13540, of course, was released as Mountain Crown, and 11-65 was the best yielder. And this is the new hybrid, like 16191. There was no significant difference between these 3 hybrids, and all these hybrids were better than Plum Regal. Plum Regal was used as a control, and all 3 hybrids were better than Plum Regal, as you can see. One of the major points or take-home message of this trial was that marketable yield of plum hybrid was more than 75% of the total yield. This is the total yield. As you can see, this solid bar is the total yield, and this is the marketable yield. Marketable yield in all cases was more than 75%. Means there was very few fruits they were unmarketable, which is very good thing in fresh market tomato breeding. This is just to show the fruit quality of NC 11265, which is potential release, and this is resistant to lead blight. I showed you the slide before. Its fruit size is very attractive. Fruit color is very attractive. Fruit size is very big. It is dark red, whereas Mountain Crown is also very dark red, as you can see, and the fruit size is also very good, as you can see here. Grape, this year there are 8 hybrids planted with 3 reps out of 8 hybrids. 4 of them are being used as a control. They were developed from my program before, and 4 are experimental hybrid. Out of 4 experimental hybrid, 2 are being repeated this year from last year's replicated trial, and 2 are new hybrid. They were included from observation trial last year, and I am repeating those 2 hybrid from last year. As you can see in this table, these 2 NC 15417 and NC 16250 are being repeated from last year, and these last 2 are new hybrid. Whereas these top four, including Mountain Baby, Mountain Honey, Mountain Vineyard, and Smarty, are the control hybrid. I believe that many of you are already familiar with these hybrids. And Mountain Baby is a new hybrid that was released last year, and we still have to license this hybrid to seed company for commercial seed production. This is the total yield from last year's trial, and NC 16250 was the top yielder, which was even better than Mountain Vineyard. Mountain Vineyard and Mountain Honey, these are top yielder. Mountain Vineyard, there was no significant difference between Mountain Vineyard and the NC 16250. As I showed in previous slide, it has excellent disease resistance package, and NC 16250, its fruit size is slightly rounder in shape rather than oval. It has slightly rounder in shape, dark red, and its sugar content is excellent. In grape tomato, sugar content is something that is important when we release any variety. Again, 15470 and 16250, this is better in yield, and both of these have different disease resistance package. Because of that, I am advancing to the next level. And both of these are potential release. Based on the yield performance this year, I may consider releasing these 2 hybrids. Thank you. If you have any question, feel free to ask me. You have my email or phone. Do not hesitate to contact me at any time. Thank you very much.